BAE Systems has received a contract to deliver 44 additional CV90 Infantry Fighting Vehicles to Denmark, building on a previous 2024 order for 115 vehicles. The agreement raises the Royal Danish Army's future fleet to 159 CV90 Mk3C and replaces the planned mid-life extension of the existing CV9035 DK fleet. Major General Peter Boysen, commander of the Danish Army, said, "The infantry fighting vehicle is an essential part of the combat power in the heavy brigade. It is therefore crucial that we acquire a consolidated fleet of vehicles as quickly as possible." He added, "With the decision to replace the current 44 IFVs with new ones, the Army will have 159 state-of-the-art infantry fighting vehicles by the end of 2030. The CV9035 Mk3C matches the standard of the latest Dutch mid-life upgrade and will feature the new CV90 turret intended to improve design and functionality." BAE Systems states the vehicle draws on years of operational use, continuous updates and shared data, supporting interoperability among user nations. Tommy Gustafsson Rask, General Manager at BAE Systems Hägglunds, said, "This order demonstrates the trust that the Danish armed forces have in the CV90's capabilities and our commitment to providing high-quality solutions that meet their evolving needs." He added, "The CV9035 Mk3C will position Denmark at the forefront of modern defense by delivering new technology and seamless interoperability with allied nations." BAE Systems notes that the CV90 family offers world-leading combat capability in the 20 to 38-ton class with options for a wide range of weapon systems. More than 1,900 vehicles have been ordered across 17 variants, with the system selected by 10 European nations and used in Afghanistan, Ukraine and operations in Liberia.